Okay, I've got a giant water balloon, and I'm gonna put it in my pants and pop it, and it's not gonna feel good. Okay, here's the size of the water balloon. I'm gonna pop it now. You ready? That was light. I'm gonna put it on the side. Oh my god. Okay, I'm freezing. I've got another one. Wait, do we have a third? No? Okay. Ow! Okay, I said earlier that we didn't have a third. I was wrong. I've got another one. Sun's going down my shirt. So it's gonna go from the top down. I'm not getting on my head though. It's too bad. Don't want to get too cold. Ready? Okay. Okay, a fifth balloon. Big again. It's gonna be thrown. Here you go. Wow. Okay. We gotta do a better one than that. Okay, a fifth balloon. Big again. It's gonna be thrown. Here you go. Wow. Okay. We gotta do a better one than that. Okay, a fifth balloon. Well, practically a sixth, but that fifth one didn't hit me. So here we go. Ready? Yeah. Ow! Oh, okay, that's good. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.